Hi everyone, so today I have this really cute set to share with you that Diamond Press has brought to their site, mydiamondpress.com. It is called Stack Presents. I already did a whole unboxing of all 7 new kits that they have released. Some are just dies, some are stamp and die sets, and I'll link that video in the description box so you can see all about them, because today we're just going to jump right into it. Also on June 18th, depending on when you're watching, you may or may not have seen yet a live premiere with Diamond Press on their site, possibly on Facebook, but on their YouTube page, showing all the new items and, of course, tons of examples. So you definitely want to check that out to see more examples. I'll do, like one here like I normally do. So these items were sent free of charge for my review, and, of course, all opinions are my own, and any links I have in the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items through those links. Also, with Diamond Press, as far as affiliate links, I have an affiliate discount code, so if you use the code VCDP10, you get 10% off your purchase. I do know that they're going to have a bundle pricing on all 7 kits that's close to about 50% off, so that's something you want to think about, and then you still can use your discount code. So I'll have all that info in the description box. Again, depends on when you're watching, so this might be a preview, this might be, they're available now, so I hope you enjoy it either way. So continue watching and we will get to it. So yeah, you have the gifts. It's really cute. I love the ideas here, like just stamping all the different ones in this background, or actually cutting them out and all that kind of fun stuff. So there are stamps that are backgrounds, details, bows and all these things, so different ways to layer that up. I think, in my mind, what I'm going to do is grab some colored paper, and then that way we'll do the accents, and then we won't do the background stamp because the paper will all be colored. So I will be right back. Just to get started, I was making my own card base, and I always talk about this with you guys, but it's basically 8.5 by 5.5 scored 4 1/4, because I'm going to make an A2 size card base. These can clearly be used on any size card base you like, mini, slimline, all those things, right? And then I have some of this paper from another project I did, and I thought, that'd be cute, and with the black with the white dots, and then let's make the presents like bright colors. So I think this is already cut to 5 3/8, which is one of my matte layer preferences, and then the other direction I'll cut it to 4 1/8. I'm just going to cut that down, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue that down. That is my card base, okay? I'll be right back. So I put my card base down here just to stay nice and flat. One thing I forgot to mention in these follow-up videos is that these all come with your sticky sheet adhesives. They come with your Diamond Press cutting folders like this. So just keep that in mind. And I am so sorry that I think in the last couple of videos I forgot to mention that. Okay, so with these guys, let's do the different shapes. Why not? So this one has dots, this one has stripes, and maybe this little swirly one. And I'm just going to do these freehand. So with the pink, I want like a pink, maybe this candy color accent. And then again, they have like ties, if you want to do like this kind of thing. They have stamps and then dies for some of them. And I think I'm just going to do a lot of the die cutting like this. I think that's really sweet. But let's have that. Okay, there's one. And then for this one, I think I'll also go ahead and do the ties. And I want to see, I think it's this one. There are 3 different types of tie, and it looks like this one fits the best on that one. And then the other 2 for the smaller guy, and then for the one that's more kind of wide, right? So let me put that up. And actually, I'm going to have to grab more ink. I have that one ready to go. So maybe from this one. And maybe we just do it in red. I know red's a little different, but why not? So I'm just going to take that and just stamp that. Again, I'm doing that freehand. Looks really cute and it really pops, and that's what I was going for. Let me grab some purples and something for the orange. For the purple, I have my purples here. And again, just one of the deeper colors. And then an even darker color for the little bow part of that. To that guy. And maybe violet. This guy here. And also, people are asking about the inks. I know on Diamond Press, on mydiamondpress.com, they also have some inks. So you might want to check there, and hopefully they'll restock them on HSN. But for right now, I think more of the colors are there on mydiamondpress.com. And then the orange ones. And again, I'll go with like a deep orange and then a deeper one. So we'll do tangerine for this. Cute. Oh, that one's really sweet. And then maybe this pumpkin one for this guy. Cute. That, love it. Let me clean up a little bit and then we will get the dies that go along with these guys. So let's get our dies for these guys. And I guess I'm a poet and didn't know it. Okay, there we go. So there we go. And this one here. Oh, I got a little bit close to that one. Oh, look, there's something on there. There was something on there. Okay, there we go. And with the bows, like I said, there's some that you can stamp and cut. There's other ones that are just made to be cut. I'm just going to eyeball that and cut that out. But if you really want to make sure that you're right on, you would do a an aperture. That would be really good. But we're going to do that one and this guy and this one. And again, if you want to do the background stamping, you would have like a white edge, or I guess it depends on what color the paper is that you're stamping on, but you might have some white edge around. And sorry, I'm trying to get one more little. Okay, I'm gonna run those through and I'll be right back. So we have our gifts. So cute. There you go. Cute. And then I think, just to make it playful and fun, with our bows, I'm going to cut a couple of these guys. And let's see, maybe like this one. And I'm trying to see because this one's a little bit shorter. Oh yeah, we can do that one. Then you have these little like super cute bows, oh my goodness. And then like this one, which one is it? This one here has a second piece for it, for the center. And all that's, in the description, like as you're looking at the inspo sheet. Let's see, we have those two. Maybe this one, I guess. So I just grabbed some scraps of paper here, so hopefully these will work for some of them. For the pink one, does this one fit? Does it fit somewhere? Maybe not that one. I might have to grab another pink piece. That's not going to work for me. But let's say for the purple one, I want this. So I have a little purple foil and a little gold foil for the orange gift, and then I'll grab another scrap of pink foil for the other bow. And I'll run those through and I'll be right back. Okay, we have these guys, and I'm just going to go ahead and just glue them down simply on each one, so like that one. And then, oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at that. On there, and then the pink one on the pink. How cute are these? Oh my goodness. Let me straighten that out a little bit. It's cute because they're all kind of wonky, so that's fine. And I mean, obviously we can stack them up. This one's still a little bit wet. I think I'm just going to stamp here, maybe with the pink. We have little tags. I mean, just all kinds of cute things. Let's do, hey, happy and birthday, they're separate. To you is also separate. Hope your day is piled high. May you get everything and more. You can definitely do happy birthday on the outside, and then maybe this as a sentiment on the inside. But I'm going to use that and just stamp that up. And then I'll cut it out with that oval die. Just making sure that's making contact nicely. Cute. And I'm definitely eyeballing like where the M is, where the, the sentiment ends here, to see if I can get that as most spaced nicely, should I say. The most centered I can is what I was thinking. Okay, I'll run that through and I'll be right back. Okay, so we have this little guy here, ready to go. That's really cute. I like the color, just like how everything came together. Trying to see if I should pop that underneath the gifts up or however. So let me play with that a little bit and see how I want to design this, and I'll be right back. I like this kind of orientation. I think it looks cute. So maybe those guys will be there and that'll be popped up. And one other thing I wanted to do was these little curly cute guys. I think these are really sweet. So I'm going to cut a bunch of these out and we'll just kind of put them here and there, okay? I'll be right back. You know, I'm cutting these, you know, they're just like gift accents also. Have you seen those where it's just like a bunch of curly cues? They're so cute. But I'm going to use them as like little streamers here and there because I think that's fun. I think one more thing I want to cut just to ground this back here is that big star. So, you know, it has a few different stars here. So I think what I'm going to do, where was this guy? I don't know. I'm just going to pop him somewhere if I can. Let's say there. This larger one. And I'm just going to cut it out of this black, like vinyl kind of paper I have. Just like a shiny black paper. And I'll be right back. Okay guys, now this is going to be really festive. I love this. Everything, and when you're die cutting, all the accents you add and everything, it just is lovelier and lovelier as you work. So in my mind, I'm kind of, put a little glue. With these kind of papers, they are kind of sensitive, so I like to just put a little bit of glue. Just maybe pop that back in there. Just something else to kind of poke out there. And then we have this guy. And then, you know, like the little streamers here and there. Actually, I'm going to put some glue on the back of my hand for these guys. And they can be glued down completely flat, or they can be just a little more fun and just organic, you know. Pop in there. Maybe a little yellow one back in here. That's really cute. So I'll hold that down for a bit. I think I'm going to pop this gift up, so I haven't glued that down yet. Let's go ahead and add some of these guys just everywhere. I suppose they could be just kind of falling. There we go. That. A little more of this guy. Down there. Then I'm going to hold this down, and then that purple, I'm sorry, the orange one will be kind of popped up. Okay, I'm going to hold these guys down, and I'll be right back. Sorry guys, I realized I was working like way up here. I need to assess what I was doing. Should have brought it down a little more here. Something like that. So cute. I'm not really pushing that down quite yet because I have a couple of these little springy curly hues I want to add. So maybe one right down here. It's fine. And then I still have this last pink one. Just kind of pop in there. Okay, I'll hold that down and I'll be right back. Okay guys, look how fun and festive and sweet. I love the pops of color everywhere. Really, really fun just adding all those little streamer bits here and there. So thanks for watching. Thank you so much, Diamond Press Designs Items, for a review. I'll have images coming up. I'll have the links in the description box along with all the info with the new releases. And I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.